All right, so now we got our hot soapy water, and we're gonna just kind of carefully try and separate this. We got to get both of them. And what really works is like not a razor blade, but something else. So what I like to use is like just a little small precision screwdriver, and just get in there. Once you get it started, I can usually get it started with my fingernail. I guess I didn't have it on camera. So check this really good. Make sure it doesn't have any tears or anything. Put that down in there, and then I just go in here. If it doesn't want to come up, don't force it, okay? Because you can always use um, more water, more heat, and definitely don't hit it with a heat gun. So, and it doesn't really pay to rebuild these most of the time, because a lot of times the carburetor itself costs about the same price as the rebuild kit. So now this one here is completely stripped down, and what we can do now is we can put it in the boiling water, and then after we boil it, we'll hit it with compressed air and try and get everything out of it. So this one we'll do the same thing with. So I don't need to show you how to put this in boiling water or any of that. So just get it really clean. If you have like a guitar and you have old guitar strings, you can use those to clean some of the ports and things like that. Works really good. And make sure you blow it out really good. Put it back together. Stick it on the chainsaw. If you're lucky, it'll work. So now with the boiling water, you can get this in boiling water and then drop it in cold water and do that several times to kind of shock everything. And sometimes that helps. So if that doesn't help, then just head on over to Amazon or eBay and order one. No, they shouldn't be too expensive. So thanks for watching. I hope this helps anybody that's working on one of these. Thanks.